Hi students, today we will discuss some problems about exercise 2.2. Then the first problem, question number 1, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Rearrangements means that we have to doing the calculation, we have to taking the easy calculation. The first problem is writing the number 837 plus 208 plus 363. 837 plus 208 plus 363. Suitable arrangements means that we have to the simple calculation. How we can doing this as the simple calculation? Then first we have to taking which number, which values we have to grouping. We have to grouping the first and third value. How we can select the first and third value? Because there is the number 0 behind it. That means 7 plus 3 equals 0. So we have to take in the first these two values grouped and adding the 208 as a single number. So we have to taking 837 plus 363 as grouped together. Then adding 208. I can select that numbers because 7 plus 3 equal 10. The adding of 10 and adding of multiplication behind 10, 100,000 is very easy method. That's why I have to select that two numbers. Okay, then adding 837 plus 363. First we have to adding 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 equal 10. Then 0, 1 balance. Then 6 plus 3 equal 9. 9 plus 1 equal 10. 0, 1 balance. Then 8 plus 3 equal 11. 11 plus 1 equal 12. Then we get 1200 plus 208. Then 0 plus 8 equal 8. 0 plus 0 equal 0. Then 2 plus 2 equal 4. Then 1. Then we got the answer as 1408. Okay, our first problem, once more I explain. Our question is 837 plus 208 plus 363. In any way you have to doing, that means A plus B plus Z. First you have to group these two numbers together, then adding 363 as a single. But I have to take the number first and last because our operation is very easy. That's why I have to select these two numbers together. Because 7 plus 3 as 0. So, zeros calculation is very easier method. So, I have to select that two numbers 837 and 363 first I have to take. So, that numbers grouped together and adding 208 as a single method. Then 837 plus 363 equal 1200. Then adding 208 of that number. Then we got the answer as 1408. Our second question is 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. Actually this is A, B, C, D, 4 numbers. So first we have to select the 10 based numbers. Which is the 10 based values? Here selecting 2 and 8. That means 2 plus 8 equal 10. So we have to group these two numbers together. And here taking the number 3 and 7. That means 3 plus 7 equal 10. So we have to selecting these two numbers together. Then our first is 1962 plus 1538 as grouped together plus 453 plus 647 as grouped together. Okay, then we are adding the first grouped numbers. Then 1962 plus 1538. First we have to adding 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 equal 10. Then 0, 1 balance. 6 plus 3 equal 9. 9 plus 1 equal 10. 0, 1 balance. Then 9 plus 5 equal 14. 14 plus 1 equal 15. 5, 1 balance. Then 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. Then next is 3 plus 7 equal 10. 0, 1 balance. 5 plus 4 equal 9. 9 plus 1 equal 10. 1 balance. Then 6 plus 4 equal 10, 10 plus 1 equal 11. Then we are adding these numbers. First we have to 0, 0. Then 5 plus 1 equal 6. Then 3 plus 1 equal 4. Then we got the answer as 4600. So first I have to select the 0 based values. That means we have to adding getting the number as 10 based numbers. That's why we have to selecting. The first we have to select 10 based numbers. Here 10 based numbers are 2 and 8. That means 2 plus 8 equal 10. Then second is 3 plus 7 also equal 10. So that's why I have to select the number 1962 plus 1538 as a one category and 453 plus 647 as a second category. These suitable rearrangements means that we have to taking the numbers in their own way. That means that we have to adding the symbol ways calculation. We have to doing the calculation very easy. That's why we have to selecting the 10 based values. Okay. So here considering these two numbers adding, then we get 3500 and here also getting 1100. Then both the 0 based values. So we have to adding this number. We get the number as 4600. Okay. Our first problem is find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Our second section problem is find the product by suitable rearrangement. Product means we have to doing the multiplication. The first problem is to multiply 1768 multiply 50. In this the previous problem, that means the first problem we have to select the 10 based number, 0 based number. Same way here we have to selecting 0 based numbers. How we can select this number? That means 2 and 50 we have to group it together. So 2 multiply 50 grouping together. Then the remaining number is 1768. Why we have to select that number? Because our suitable arrangement. Rearrangement means that our calculation is make very easy. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 1 0 is here. Then put 0. Then multiply 1768. This means that 100 multiply 1768. That means 1 multiply 1768. We also get 1768. Then put 20. So our calculation is very easy. Okay. First we have to taking the two numbers. We have to select the 0 based, 100 based, 10 based. The values last place, ones place value is 0 got the answer. We have to select that numbers first. Here our first number is 2 and 50. So we have to select 0 based number as 2 multiply 50. So both the two numbers are grouped together and multiply 1768. Then 2 5s are 10. Then put 1 0. Then we got 100. 100 multiply 1768. We know that 100 multiply 1768 equal 1768 and put 2 zeros. Okay. Then B, C, D and E, the problems are the same way we have to doing. So we have to discuss the F problem. Okay, 125 multiply 40 multiply 8 into 25. There are 4 numbers. So first we have to doing that problem. Then our last F problem, second section F problem, 125 multiply 40 multiply 8 multiply 25. Then how we can select the suitable rearrangement? First we have to check the number 125, then 40, then 825. How we can group in this number together? We have to select here 1 0, so 5 0 0. So we have to group in the first two numbers together, 125 multiply 40. Then multiply here 8 5s are 40, then again 0 in one's place. So we have to select that two numbers together, 8 multiply 25. Then first we have to multiply 125 into 40. Then first we write 0. Then 5 4s are 20. Then 0 2 balance. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 equal 10. 0 1 balance. Then 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then we get 6000 plus 8 multiply. The symbol is also multiply. Then 8. F problem 125 multiply 40 multiply 8 multiply 25. First we have to group these two numbers. First we have to group these 4 numbers. Then we have to select the, how we can select the numbers grouped as the, here we have to select the number 5 multiply as 20. So 0 based value. So first two numbers are grouped together, 125 multiply 40. Then multiply 8 multiply 25. Because 5 8s are 40, then 0. Here already 1 0 is here. So that's why we have to selecting these numbers, two numbers together and here two numbers together. Then multiply 125 multiply 40. First we have to put the 0 because there is 1 0. Then multiply 5 4s are 20, 0 to balance. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 2 equal 10, 0, 1 balance, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5. Then multiply 8 multiply 25. Then 5 8s are 40, 0, 4 balance, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 equal 20. Then here 3 0 and here also 2 0. Then only the number 5 and 2. We know that 5 2s are 10. First we have to write the number 10. Then how many zeros here? 3 0 here and also 2 0. So we get the answer as, how we can read this number? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Our answer is 10 lakh. First we have to select the grouping numbers 125 and 40, 8 and 25. 125 and 40 we get 5000, and here 8 multiplied 20 as 25 as 200. Then last step 5 2s are 10. First we have to multiply the number only, and after that we have to put in here 3 0. So we write 3 0 and here 2 0. So we write the 2 0. Therefore our answer is 10 lakh. Okay. Then consider the third section problem. Then third section A problem, 297 multiply 17 plus 297 multiply 3. Any specialty of this number? Yes, 297 as a common number. That's why we have to select in 297 outside. Then put cross sign. Then the remaining numbers are 17 and 3. 17 plus 3. That means A cross B plus A cross C equal A cross B plus C. Our distributive property. Then here equal to 297. Then multiply 17 plus 3 equal 20. Then multiplying these numbers, 7 2s are 14, 4 1 balance, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1 equal 19, 1 balance, then 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5, then put 1 0. So we get the answer as 5940. Once again I explain the problem. Find the value of the following. That means 297 multiply 17 plus 297 multiply 3. The 297 as a common number. That's why we have to take in 297 as the outside number. Then multiply 17 plus 3. Actually this property is the distributive property. Do you remember the distributive property is A cross B plus C equal A cross B plus A cross C. So we have to multiply 297 into then 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3 equal 20. Then we are taking only the number, that is 297 into 2. We get 594 and put 1 0 here. That's why we get the answer as 5940. The remaining problem B, C is the same way. Then B problem, there is a common number 5279 as a common number, so that we take that number as an outside, then multiply 92 plus 8. Then third section is one difference is that there is the symbol is minus. So in the middle way, that means in this problem our middle operation is putting plus sign. In C problem our middle sign is minus. That is the only difference. Then considering the D problem. Then third section D problem, 3845 multiply 5 into 782 plus 769 multiply 25 multiply 218. Do you have any guess how we can do this problem? Actually this is the distributive property. How we can find out this problem as a distributive property? Then all of you listen very carefully. First we have to take in the number 3845 multiply 782 plus then 769 multiply splitting 25 as 5 multiply 5 equal 25. So splitting 25 as 5 multiply 5 then multiply 218. Okay. The next step we have to grouping these two numbers together. Okay, that means first we have to write 3845 multiply 5 multiply 782 plus 769 multiply 5. That's number grouped together. Then multiply 5 multiply 218 equal. Then 3845 multiply 5 multiply 782 plus then 769 multiply 5. We have to multiply this number, that means 9 multiply 5 equal 45, then 5 4 balance, 5 6 are 30 plus 4 equal 34, 4 3 balance, then 7 5s are 35 plus 3 equal 38, then multiply 5, multiply 218. That means this side is 3845 and this side is also 3845. That both the numbers are same, and here one more number is same, that means 3845 multiply 5, here also 3845 multiply 5. So we have to select that numbers outside. That is 3845 multiply 5 taking as outside number, because this side is one number and this side is also the same number. So that's why we have to taking that number outside. Then writing the remaining numbers are 782 plus 218. Then we multiply 3845 multiply 5. First we have to write 3845 multiply 5. Then here the number, adding this number, that is 782 plus 218, 2 plus 8 equal 10, 0, 1 balance, 8 plus 1 equal 9, 9 plus 1 equal 10, 1 balance, 7 plus 2 equal 9, 9 plus 1 equal 10. Then we get 1000. We multiply this number 3845 into 5. Then 5 5s are 25, 5, 2 balance, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 2 equal 22, 2 balance, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2 equal 42, 2 4 balance, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4 equal 19. Then multiply 1000 equal 19, 225, then put 3 zeros. 1,92,25,000. So we get the answer as 1,92,25,000. Once again I explain this problem. All of you listen very carefully. Our number is 3845 multiply 5 multiply 782 plus 769 multiply 25 multiply 218. Then first we have to write the first position number, also same. Here splitting 25 as the number, 5 multiply 5. Here splitting 25 as 5 into 5. Okay. Then 769 the place of 25, 5 into 5. Then same number 218. Then this side is same number. Here also 769 into 5 as a grouped number. That two numbers we are taking as a grouping. Then remaining number 5 multiply 218. This first side is same number. Here 769 multiply 5. 769 multiply, we get the number as 3845. Then the same number 5 into 218. Both the two sides 3845 multiply 5. Here also 3845 multiply 5. So we take that number outside. Multiply. Then here remaining numbers are 782 and 218, putting plus sign. That means A cross B cross C plus D. Our distributive property model. Then we have to take in these 3845 multiply 5 into, then adding these two numbers we get the answer 1000. Then multiplying these two numbers, then we get 19,225 multiply 1000. Then we get the answer as 1,92,25,000. All of you listen very carefully in this problem. Here splitting 25 as 5, 5. Then these two numbers grouped together and multiply the first side answer. Also here the same number. Then that's number we have to taking outside. Then that's maybe the distributive property model. Okay, very important problem. All of you listen very carefully. Our next problem, find the product of 738 into 103. 738 into 103. We want the product of this number by suitable property. Which property? Do you have any idea? Which property we have to using? Yes, we have to using the distributive property. How we can using distributive property? We have to splitting the number. Which number we have to splitting? 738 or 103? We have to split in the number 103. 103, how we can split in 103? 100 plus 3 equal 103. So we have to split in the second position value 103 equal 100 plus 3. Okay, then write 738 multiply 100 plus 3 equal 738 multiply 100 plus 700 multiply 3. 738 multiply 100 plus 738 multiply 3. This is LHS and this is RHS. Which property? Distributive property. A cross B plus C equal A cross B plus A cross C. Our A's values are 738, B values as 100 and C values as 3. Then first we have to write 738 and the grouped values together 100 plus 3 equal 103. Actually this side is no needed. Then here 738 into 100, 738 put 2 zeros. Plus 738 into 3. 8 3s are 24, 4, 2 balance, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 equal 11, 1, then 1 balance, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1 equal 22. Then here adding this number, then 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 1, 1, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1 balance, 3 plus 2 equal 5, 5 plus 1 equal 6, then 7. Then we get the number as 76,014. Okay, then we no needed to do in this side. Then anyway we have to do in that side 738 into 103. Then 8 3s are 24, 4, 2. Then 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 equal 11, 1, 1 balance, 7 3s are 21 plus 1, 22. Then 0, 0, 0. Then 1 8s are 8. 1 3s are 3, 1 7s are 7, 4, 1, 10, 1 balance, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 7. 7, 6, 0, 1, 4. Both the answers are equal, therefore LHS equal RHS. How we can do this problem? We have to splitting the number 103. 103 as 100 plus 3. So that's why we have to apply the distributive property. Distributive property means that A cross B plus C equal A cross B plus A cross C. So here taking A as 738, B as 100 and C as 3. So we write 738 into 100 plus 738 into 3. First we have to multiply these two numbers. That's why we get the answer 73,800 plus then multiply 738 into multiply 3 equal 2,214. So we are adding the number as 76,014. Also we doing the LHS. There is no need for doing the LHS. Anyway we have to doing both sides are equal. Therefore LHS equal RHS. So our distributive property is also applied. I hope all of you understood how we can do the problems of exercise 2.2. Okay. So let us wind up our class.